Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to disable Chrome from offering to save passwords on your PC. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right, click More. Look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on them. Step 3. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose the Settings option. Step 4. Within the Settings, find and click on the Autofill and Passwords option. Step 5. Within the Autofill and Passwords settings, locate and click on the Google Password Manager option. Step 6. Go to Settings. Inside the Google Password Manager, find and click on the Settings option. Step 7. Turn off Offer to Save Password. Within the settings, toggle off the switch or uncheck the checkbox next to the Offer to Save Password option. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable Chrome from offering to save passwords on your PC. This helps maintain your privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.